In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Open to Work badge on LinkedIn. This feature is a great way to let recruiters and your professional network know that you're open to new job opportunities. Whether you're actively searching for a job or simply open to possibilities, this badge can be a crucial tool in your job search arsenal. So let's dive in and see how you can set it up in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website by typing in linkedin.com. This is your first step towards setting up your professional presence on this platform. You'll find yourself on the login page, and here is where you'll need to sign in. LinkedIn provides a few options for signing in. You can choose to log in with Google or Apple accounts if you have them linked, or simply enter your email address and password the traditional way. Now, for some of you, two-factor authentication may be enabled. If this is the case, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your login. They typically send a code to your registered phone number. Entering this code correctly will ensure that your account and personal information remain secure. Once you're successfully signed in, LinkedIn will direct you to your profile page. This is like your digital business card. Here, all your professional experience, skills, endorsements, and more are visible. But to proceed, you'll need to click on your profile picture, which is located at the top right corner of the page. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select View My Profile. Now you're on your LinkedIn profile page. Right under your profile picture, there's a button labeled Open To. Click on this to proceed. You should then see a menu option that says Finding a New Job. Select that, and you'll be presented with a form to specify your job preferences. This form is extremely important as it communicates your job search goals to potential employers. You will be prompted to fill out details such as the type of job title you're interested in, the locations where you'd be willing to work, and even job types, full-time, part-time, contract, etc. Also, consider your visibility settings carefully. You can choose to make your open to work status visible to all LinkedIn members or only to recruiters. After you've filled out your job preferences and visibility settings, review the information for accuracy and completeness. When you're satisfied, simply click on the Save button, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added the Open to Work feature to your LinkedIn profile, making your job search journey more effective and streamlined. Feel free to explore LinkedIn's additional features to further enhance your professional profile. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.